What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax Texas Mastercraft. Today we're going to walk through a great piece of used inventory. It is a 2021 Mastercraft X22, all white with the black trailer. So let's climb inside and check it out. Before we climb inside, we want to point out the best part of the X series, which is going to be these awesome transom loungers. Great spot to sit while somebody is surfing or while you're just under the anchor hanging out. Inside the cockpit, you'll see the upholstery that we have, all cool feel, 30% cooler in the sun, which is a huge benefit here in North Texas. Also looking down at the Decadence flooring, this is my favorite flooring option. It is super durable, easy to clean, pull it out, rinse it off, throw it right back in. On the tower, we do have dual tower speakers, easy to use tower, 2 clips on either side, lays down flat. We do have also the dual screen setup on this boat, only 74 hours on this boat, so still has a lot of life left on it. Another great spot on this X22 is going to be this bow seating. We have armrests on either side, so it makes it a very comfortable spot for anybody to be riding up here, as well as the luxury is having cup holders and chargers. Thank you guys for checking out this Mastercraft with me today. We have a ton of great inventory right now, both new and used. So if you have any questions, hop on to MarineMax.com where you can see all the inventory that we do have in stock here in DFW, as well as abroad. Outside of that, again, my name is Jake Jones. Give me a call at 682-282-9969. Thank you.